Hello. So, this is my new hobby room in my new apartment. Uh, Currently, I have 10 IKEA tables that are each 100 centimeters by 60 centimeters. That the idea is that I can freely arrange them into different groupings so that over time I can have different types of projects. Currently, I'm gonna showcase this. I have the in total 6 square meter BRIO layout here. But as I've made videos in the past, I have my Lego Animal Crossing mug, the New Vegas mug. I can set up a big Playmobil medieval layout diorama and a big Playmobil Western diorama. So, currently with this BRIO thing, this is just what I set up as the first thing when I moved here. So the major areas of this are, here is the main big sort of industrial harbor area. This is the main train yard with the roundhouse and another garage there. Then here is just a little town segment. I'm gonna show this closer in a bit. The main areas here. This is the main transport hub with the main station. Then you have the main sort of city area with a bunch of the older style buildings and the garage. A smaller harbor, then a farm. There's a wind farm, and then this is the sort of mountain quarry and sort of lumber production area here. Now, this layout doesn't have nearly everything I own. I didn't use any of the SkyTrain stuff. I didn't use any of the monorail or the airport stuff, nor did I use most of my roads, which are in that box, and just a bunch of random other buildings and modules and stuff I didn't use here. So I have a bunch of boats in the water in front of the harbor areas. And placed around the harbors I have a bunch of random just cargo containers to represent just piles of cargo crates. I don't really need to annotate everything here, I'm just gonna kind of go over here. I have a bunch of trees placed over the place. Now I place a bunch of cars and vehicles here in places as decorations. I didn't put any actual trains going anywhere. The only places where I have trains on here are stopped along, at stops. That's because I want to just be able to put a battery train going around and not have to worry about a non-battery train just being in the road as a display thing. So continuing along here, there's the little small city area here. Also, there are quite a large amount of the lights here, which this looks really cool at night when you put all of this on and it's all lit up when the whole room is dark. There's the sort of maintenance shed along with the car wash, I guess, train wash. So, as I said, in the future going forward, I'm going to be making all kinds of other layouts here with, Playmobil, BRIO, Lego, whatever toy lines I happen to get into in the future. So, I will make videos on those if they are showcase worthy.